Hello students, in today's class I am discussing the quadratic equation exercise 10.1 in that second main. Okay, the first question is represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. In that first one, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Yes, first write down the given things. The second main in that first question. So first area they are given. Area is equal to 528 meter square. The length of the plot 1 more than its breadth. Let breadth is equal to x meters. Then length is equal to 2 times breadth plus 1. Yes, then length becomes 2x plus 1 meter. Yes, area is equal to length into area is 528. Here length into breadth is equal to 528. So length is 2x plus 1 and the breadth is x is equal to 528. 2 into x is x square plus x is equal to 528. 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It is the required quadratic equation. Second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Let the two positive integers be x and x plus 1. Then product is equal to 306 given in the question. So x into x plus 1, product of two integers is equal to 306. X into x square plus x is equal to 306. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. It is the required quadratic equation. Question number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Question number 3. The present age, Rohan's present age be x years. Rohan's age x years. Then mother's age x plus 26. After 3 years, Rohan's age is x plus 3 and mother's age x plus 26 plus 3. It becomes x plus 29 years. Mother's age. Okay. Then product of their age. Product is x plus 3 and mother's age is x plus 29 is equal to 360. 360 given in the question. Yes, multiply these two. X square plus 3x plus 29x plus 87 is equal to 360 degree. X square plus 32x plus 87 then minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x minus 273. Here 87 minus 360. Yes, it is equal to 0. It is the required quadratic equation. Fourth question. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train means speed 1 is equal to x kilometer per hour, then the distance is equal to 480 kilometer. Then time 1 is equal to formula distance by speed. It is 480 by x hours. Yes, next speed 2 is equal to x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Next distance is same 480 kilometer. Then time 2 is equal to d by s is 480 divided by x minus 8. The difference of 2 times is t2 minus t1 is 3. t2 is 480 by x minus 8 minus t1 is 480 by x is equal to 3. So take LCM of this one, x into x minus 8, then it is x ja and it is x minus 8. So 480x minus, so 480x minus into minus plus this one 480 into 8 is 3840 is equal to 3. Yes, this one and this one cancels. Okay. Next take cross multiplication this one. So here 3840 is equal to 3 into x minus 8. 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 24x. So 3x square minus 24x, this comes this side now, minus 3840 is equal to 0. So you divide complete equation by 3. So it is x square minus 8x minus 1, 2 and 8, 0 is equal to 0. This is the required equation.